So opening this thing up, we get the camera right in front, of course. And it's actually magnetically attached to the necklace behind it, or pendant, they'll say. It's kind of nicely in here. The packaging is pretty cool, especially for what this is. Yeah, you just attach it, you're good to go. You wear it under your clothes is the idea, but you can put it wherever. You get your cable. Hat clip can be used for helmets, really nice. This is a stand anywhere mount, and this it has a little rubber feet. Will let you stick it wherever. You just clean it off, stick it again. It's not bad. But the cool part is this AirPod style charging case that you throw the camera right in here, and you can actually control from it. It has its own little tripod, and you know, it's all in one package. You charge the case to charge the camera, and the case also has a tripod mount itself. I believe it's a 1/4 inch. But that's everything in the box. So I also got the selfie stick because they claim it's invisible. But, you know, we'll see how that goes. I've seen some video of it where it basically just processes it out. It understands that this is supposed to be the selfie stick. And actually you just pull it apart. Here, I wasn't figuring that out very well. And that's it. Then there's software and everything else. So I'm gonna test it, play with it, and throw some footage on here. Should be fun. Which way do you want to go? Okay.
I just saw the bird flying up to the branch.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Wait, this way. I don't know. Which way?
Keep going, you weirdos.
Oh, dinosaurs.
I'm not going that way. Luke! I'm not even going that way.
That's why I waited for you.
What do I think? I don't know. It's fine. It's good. It's $300, but it has a really good sensor in it. It's supposed to be the same thing as one of the newer Heroes. I think the 8 or the 9. It does get hot. They say not to run it too long. You can do 30-minute intervals with by default. So that's in the software. You do have to pick which intervals you want. I think actually the default was 10 minutes on my first one, and then I noticed that you could actually change it, luckily. But you just hit and then you go. If it freezes up on you, you just hold the button on this down for 6 seconds and it shuts off. You flip through, you shut it off, you put it away, and then it actually fits in a watch pocket, mine at least, so that's good. $300, if you plan on doing simple stuff, I think it's cool. The benefit here is that since you can attach it to so many things, you don't have to buy a bunch of mounts. It didn't fit on my helmet as the hat clip, but that's mostly because there's ridges on my helmet that it can't get a flat connection on. So the chest pendant is actually what I've ended up using the most. But the software is okay. You have to connect to it via the software. I'd show you, but that's the phone that's recording. And you have to download and export the files to actually then transfer them to your computer to edit them. It records in like a 1:1 aspect ratio. So you can take the same file and export it as a 1:1, a 9:16, or a 16:9. And that makes it so it's easier to crop into whatever format you're putting it in. If you're Instagram or if you're putting it into something like Resolve and you want to edit it, there's a lot of options. So hopefully this was helpful. I don't know. I kind of like it. I'm going to play with it a lot. It's not a 360 cam, even though it's an Insta360. It's not a 360 camera, but it's nice, and I don't need a bunch of attachments for a GoPro to just take quick little clips. So, thanks.